Good morning guys! This is Maricel and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ishare ko lang sa inyo kung paano ba natin mariresolve yung issue sa GCash na hindi natin siya ma-open because of not secure connection.
So let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Sa mga katulad kong nakaka-experience nito, hindi rin ma-open yung GCash because of the not secure connection. Ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano natin mariresolve yung ganitong issue. So, eto na nga si GCash nagkakaroon ng problem lately. Hindi siya ma-open kasi nade-detect daw ng system nila na ang ginagamit natin is not secure connection. So, ang gagawin natin, pupunta lang po tayo sa application and then hahanapin natin yung GCash app. So, pag nasa GCash app na po kayo, punta po tayo sa storage. And then, sa storage, i-clear lang po natin yung data. Then, let's go back to settings. Hanapin po natin yung about phone. So, para mas madali, i-search lang natin yung builder number. So, ayan nga, makikita natin yung builder number. I-click natin siya ng 3 to 5 times para maging developer tayo. So, you are now 2 steps away from being developer. Kailangan kasi nating i-close yung option na yon. And then, after that, go back to settings. I-scroll down lang natin, makikita mo na po yung developer options. So, click mo lang siya yung on, i-off lang natin. So, after that, i-try na po natin i-open uli yung GCash natin. So, let's see if gagana siya. So, look for your GCash app, i-open mo lang. And then, mag-login na kayo sa inyong GCash account. So, i-follow nyo na lang po yung instructions. So, ayan, gumagana na po siya. So, that's it for today's video. Sana po nakatulong sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more update. Thank you. Have a good day and God bless everyone. Bye!
This could be us. So back to what I was saying.